Today guys, magsusulat ako. Pinapagalitan ako ni teacher. Tulong! Magsulat ka muna bago ko magsulat. Ay, magsulat ka muna. Bilisin mo ha. Okay. Ha? Papala ko yung puwet mo. Ito na guys, gagawa kong tao. Ayan lang. 3, 2, 1. You like, subscribe. Angka.
No. Wait. Did you do your homework? No? So better do your homework or I slap you. Get over here!
0. Matitala nani kinunanutana. Irotisi na. Gawa mo din to. Okay na, tapos na. Ako ba, teacher? Tulog-tulog ka pa. Ingay. Ikaw talaga, ingay mo ha. Papaluin kayo. Ito na, papaluin ko na. Papaluin ko pet mo, sakit. Abale, I can fly. I can catch the sky. Abale, I can fly. Hello, pangit, bata. Ay, sinisisi mo ako ah. Pupulis kita. Ayan, gusto mo, no? Pangit mo. Babarilin ko kayo. Huwag kayong mag-out. Are you serious? It's easy. Come on. Just do it. Low. And easy. Just do it. You come on, baby. Come on. Stop it. Oh my God. Go. Let's see malapit.
Let's go, baby!
Let's go, baby. Susu ako. Let's go. So. Oh my gosh. Lapit tayo. Again. Please, I need this. Mom is homeless. It's easy. Come on. Start. What the? This means I can king. Tong sa heart. Tong.